A well-structured SEO-friendly URL looks short and clean, provides a better user experience, is easier to share, and is optimized for search engines. URL structure can help a page show higher on search engine result pages and impact the decision making. Hello everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share 8 tips and best practices to make SEO friendly URLs for your website. Number 1. Describe your content. A user should be able to make an exact guess about the content of a web page simply by reading the URL. To accomplish this, a URL should include an accurate phrase or terms that pertains to the page content. Number 2. Include keywords in URLs. It is best practice to optimize every web page around one keyword, and this keyword should be included in the URL. It is also important to put the most important keywords at the beginning of the URLs, as search engine spiders give more significance to the words towards the beginning of the URL. Number 3. Use hyphens to separate words. Every web page should be optimized around one keyword, and this term should be included in the URLs. Google recommends using hyphens instead of underscores in the URLs because hyphens are treated as spaces between words, while words connected by underscore are viewed as one word. Hyphens are used between words in SEO best practices because they notify Google and users where the gaps between the words are and make them much easier to read. 4. Use lowercase letters in URLs. Do not use capital letters in your URLs. Search engines can decipher it from the uppercase and lowercase letters in URLs, which can lead to duplicate URLs and loss of page rank. 5th. Keep URLs short. The URLs of a web page should be descriptive and brief as possible. A short URL is quicker to type and read. Also, the fewer the words, the more value each word receives from search engine spider. 6th is use static URLs. Use static, non-changeable URLs whenever possible. These are URLs that don't change while the website loads. Try to avoid unnecessary parameters like question mark, ampersand, equal to sign, etc., which are common features of dynamic URLs. 7th, be careful with subdomains. It is important to consider that search engines have the potential to treat subdomains as separate entities from the primary domain. This can affect multiple aspects of SEO, including link building and trust value. Unless you have a specific reason to use subdomain, it is best to use subfolders instead. And last, limit folders in URL structures. A URL should not contain any unnecessary folders. Just use a number of folders and characters that is needed in your URL structure. The flatter your site structure is, the better. URLs are the building blocks of your website, and when optimized, they can help you increase your website traffic. Clean URLs perform better in search, appear more trustworthy, and make it easier to share. I hope these practices help you with your website URLs. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.